Hello everybody, welcome to the show. This is AndreJMcClendon coming out with you guys with a new video. This is the weekly news wrap up. So for new subscribers and new viewers, this is where I go over key details in the markets, preparing you guys for the next trading sessions, and go over some news and politics. So let's jump into it. So we got the S&P 500 hitting new record highs. So let's kick it to the daily. And look at this right here. Closing out in the week at 3,025.86. Now this is a huge move up from this correction here. On our sessions, we did catch this move, so you guys can easily see that another bull run. But when I get to the FX news, you'll see why I brought these charts. So some other key details that I always go over is the gold silver ratio. Powerful thing to trade. Right now we are hitting some getting back to our highs, almost getting close to 100. So right now the gold silver ratio is 86.99. So let's jump into the silver trade. Right now silver had a massive move up in the last couple days. Massive move up, and I tell you, when we were trading it last week, we're on the last weekly news wrap up, and the week before was telling you about that bullish run that's happened, and this is a pretty good move. And the most important information you guys got to do is like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Please click the the bell. I really like this to get out to more people so we can have more conversations about business and money. So let's jump into it. Our next one is gold oil ratio. So this is something that I do look at a lot to see which one is more valued. Is it gold or silver or oil, and see how you can trade into it. Now, I usually look at this for non-margin accounts. So by margin, I really don't look at this. For non-margin accounts, I look at this. And a very important one is the Dow gold ratio. So since the Dow is heading up, it's going to be its old highs too. That's what we're looking at. It seems that this whole ratio is going to be breaking out a little bit higher. So the Dow gold ratio is going to get even better for the Dow, but it's going to be better for us precious metals investors for long-term holding. All right, so last week we had some massive news, a lot of stuff on Friday. But what I really want to get into, if you guys want to look at this, we have some red news. This is for last week. This is our week coming up. Super big stuff right here. All right, we have, what is it now? We have only one holiday coming up, right? But when it comes to Wednesday at 11 a.m., we have FOMC statement and the federal funds rate. I believe that the Fed is not going to increase rates. Just because of what happened last week with the S&P 500 breaking new highs, they are definitely not going to cut rates. I'm sorry, they're definitely not increasing rates. Definitely not increasing rates. So we will see what they talk about in their meeting to see how we should look at the markets, because the markets are already building up towards what they're going to be saying. So let's kick it to the news, guys. And we're on zerohedge. Now, zerohedge is one of my favorite websites to get on the news and updates about what's happening in the world. So here's some stuff that I won't go in detail, but I was showing you guys just to highlight it, what's been happening with the Mueller report and BAR and what's happening there. So you guys want to read this one? I have not checked it out, but it seems really promising because I just started reading. I started watching the Mueller report. It's like 3 hours long, so I just want to go into it more. But this is to give you guys some headlines. Another one is Elon Musk. I've been seeing his name around the news, so please check out this article. I will be reading it tonight when I get some time. But the one article I wanted to go over that will help you guys out is this one right here. This is the World Bank Central Impact on that is absolutely insane. So if you guys watch a lot of videos or go to like Mike Maloney's channel, and he even talks about, including myself, about the central banks have been buying gold at an insane rate. So if you look at this chart, it's talking about central bank demand since 2018 has been the highest since Nixon closed out on the gold window. So the central banks are buying gold on a massive scale. China is buying gold, Russia is buying gold, India is buying gold. All these massive countries are buying gold. They all fear that some economic problem is going to be happening. I always talk about in my videos, the biggest crash ever. So if they're buying gold, I'm buying gold. I can't tell you guys what to do, but I'll say if your banks are buying gold, that's a good indication that something might be happening. So the best part is not over. Here you go. So on AndreJMcClendon website, these are the few things I will be adding. I'm adding some FX trading education. We're gonna add some FX signals, some crypto signals, some dividend lookups. So for you guys who are looking at dividends and looking at my website, my other videos for it, you will be able to find them on my website once it gets updated. I will be telling you about that later. We have a budget builder, trading blog, and a debt calculator. We have various other products and services. A lot of it will be for free. You guys subscribe to the website. There is a free membership. So there's also a paid membership. But I will get into that later in other videos to update you. But thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, drop them below. Please like and subscribe. Get this out to more people. Let's talk about business and money. And that is it, guys. You guys have a wonderful day. I'm out.